Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to construct an angle of 240 degrees. So this is yet another construction video that you're going to learn today. Now you have watched so many construction video that is already on my channel, and you have seen various angle being constructed with ruler and compass. So this is also we are going to construct with the ruler and compasses only. Obviously the protractor will be there to check whether the particular angle constructed is constructed correctly or not. Okay, so let's start. So as usual, see students, you need an arm of an angle, like which I have already constructed, AO and O being the vertex of the angle. So take a compass and take any radius of your choice. Okay, now point the needle, point the compass's needle here in the vertex O. Got it? And try to draw a bigger arc more than 270 degree. Okay, so we'll draw it, right? See, so we have constructed a bigger arc without changing the radius of the compass. Point the needle where this bigger arc has intersected AO at certain point. See here, got it? So now go on intersecting like this, the bigger arc. Like for example, here, draw a small arc pointing the needle here. Now shift your needle to this particular intersection point and draw another arc intersecting the bigger arc, and go on intersecting and drawing smaller arcs in this way. Now what will you have? You will have, see for example, the first one will be 60 degree, then you will have 120 degree, which means for every steps you are going to get 60 plus 60 plus 60. Got it? So for example, if I point the needle in this second intersection and draw, you'll get 180. So if you extend this, so you will get a straight line, that is 180 degree. Okay, so 240 degree means, so you need how many 60? So 60 degree into 4 is 240 degree. So you need how many? This first, this second, this is third, and obviously you need another one. So let's draw another one. So this is another 60, means now you have 60, 60, 60, 60. The 460 means 240 degree. Okay, now go ahead and, okay, before actually completing the angle, do not forget to mark this intersection point carefully. Okay, now from O, join this. So AO, and let's name it as B. Now this particular angle will be 240 degree. Got it? So this particular angle will be 240 degree. Got it? Now you can obviously check it out. So this is obviously 90. So this is 180. From 180, for example, so carefully, see, this is 60. So 180 plus 60, see, this is 60 right here, 60. So 180 plus 60 is 240 degree. So this is one of the most simplest way of constructing an angle of 240 degree. Okay, so let's recap. What you need to do, you need to construct an arm of an angle AO, O being the vertex. From the vertex, take any take your compass and take any radius of your choice and try to construct a bigger angle of more than 270 degree. Now point your compass where the needle of the compass where this bigger arc has intersected this particular arm AO, and go on constructing 60, 60, 60 and 60. So what will you have? So for example, if you join this one, you will have 60. If you join this one, you will have 120. If you join this one, you will have 180 degree, and obviously we need the fourth 60 to complete 240 degree. Okay, I hope you have followed my lecture, students. So this is a very simplest construction video. If you like it, get a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. But thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. We'll soon meet with another construction video. Bye bye for now.